Daily use of English sentences in conversations, spoken English sentences for everyday. English is a widely spoken language all over the world. People use basic spoken sentences every day. From greeting someone to saying goodbye, there are several daily uses of English sentences in our conversations. Anyone can use this foreign language in their daily life with some simple guidance. There is nothing to worry about if you get stuck somewhere where you have to speak in this foreign language. Here are some basic English sentences that anyone can speak and understand. Check this out and start practicing this in your daily life. English sentences for daily use. English conversation sentences for easy daily use. The words which are used in daily life are not very critical or something just out of the dictionary. Rather, daily used English words are very simple and easy to understand as well as speak. Hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, according to the time of the day. How are you? How are you doing? How do you do? It's a pleasure to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm pleased to meet you. I'm glad to see you. English conversation sentences for casual greeting. Hi, hey, what's up? How's it going on? How are things? How's your day going? How have you been? How's your day? Good to see you. Sentences for daily use when replying to greetings. I'm doing very well, thank you. And you? Great, thanks. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Wonderful, thank you. Daily conversation sentences in English for introduction. Hello, my name is. Let me introduce myself. I'm. Nice to meet you. I'm. May I introduce myself? I'm. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm. It's a pleasure to see you. I'm. Pleased to meet you. I'm. Daily used English words for introducing others. Ted, have you met Simpson? Ket, meet Ted. Ted, this is Ket. Mary, please meet Simpson. Daily conversation sentences in English for expressing gratitude. Other than saying, thanks and thank you, there are several other words for expressing your gratitude. Following are some of those. I really appreciate your help. There are no words to show my appreciation. Thanks a million for your help. I owe you a great deal. What you've done means a lot to me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything. That's so kind of you. How can I ever possibly thank you? English conversation sentences for replying to someone's thanks. I'm glad that I can help you. No big deal. It was my pleasure. My pleasure. You're welcome. You're always welcome. Also read, How to Practice English Speaking. Online exercises to improve your English skills. English conversation for daily use for congratulating. Congratulations. You deserve it. Amazing. Congratulations. I'd like to congratulate you on. That was excellent. Congratulations. Daily used English words in response to congratulations. It's very kind of you. Thank you, thanks, thank you so much. Thank you for your kindness. Thanks for your kind words. Giving good news in easy words. I'm really pleased to tell you. I've got some good news for you. I'm so excited to tell you that. I'm really happy to inform you that. Replying to good news. This sounds great. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing. Wow. I can't believe that. I'm so glad to hear that. Giving bad news in easy English sentences. I know this isn't what you want to hear, but I'm so sorry, but I really don't know how to say it, but I'm afraid to inform you of. It is my unfortunate duty to tell you that. Replying to bad news using basic sentences. That's awful. Anytime you need to talk, just call me. I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Accept my deepest sympathy. Spoken English sentences used in everyday for making appointment. Do you have any time available this week? Would tomorrow evening be all right for you? Are you available on the 6th? Can you give me an appointment on Friday? Let's meet this weekend. Basic English sentences for accepting an appointment. Monday would be perfect, change today is required. Sure, I'll come. I'll be there at that time. Yes, that date is fine with me. Easy sentences for rejecting an appointment. I'm sorry to say, but I can't meet on this Sunday. Sorry, I don't think I can make it. Sorry, I have another appointment at that time. General conversation. Can you give me your laptop bag? Daily use. Could you please give me your laptop bag? Official use. Spoken English conversation sentences set 1. Let's take a closer look at some common sentences for English conversation practice. Which languages are you fluent in? How many languages do you have under your belt? Do you know any other languages? How much do you have in your city? What is the name of your president? Where are you planning to spend your vacation? What is the current temperature? What is England's capital city? What is the total number of brothers you have? What is your line of work? So, what exactly do you do? What are your working hours? What year were you born? What country are you from? When would you want to depart? Please accept my warmest greetings. What can I do to assist you? What do you think you'd like to drink? What do you want to purchase? You may take a seat here. Please take a seat here. Please accept my apologies, this location is really busy. Sir, this table has been reserved. Spoken English conversation sentences set 2. Which table do you want to be seated at? Sir, there is space in the backyard for you. Do you want to have a seat outside? We have a room on the second floor. Please include a food list. What's on the menu tonight? How many kg of apples are you looking for? It's time for me to eat. Do you want to have a cup of tea? What do you want to eat today? What's the name of the beverage? Is it possible for you to brew some tea? Do you like to cook? What exactly are you looking for? Is it a large or little object? Are you interested in a package? Please, no ice. What kinds of beverages are available? Do you have any pepper on hand? Please add salt. Do you want some ketchup? There will be no ketchup. Spoken English conversation sentences set 3. This table will be occupied by someone else. I apologize for keeping you waiting. Is there anything you'd like to drink? I'd like to look at the menu. Would you like it with soup or salad? Is it possible for you to acquire some water? Please excuse me. In a moment, I'll tell you. I'm waiting for someone to come along. Sir, your purchase is not yet ready. What would you suggest? Do you have a salad on the table? Is there anything for vegetarians? I'd like to have some more salad. Is it possible to get any more bread? This fish isn't even close to being fresh. Do you have a bathroom? Is it possible to get it in a package? The dish is quite hot, so proceed with caution. I hope you had a good time with the meal. Is there anything more I should know? Spoken English conversation sentences set 4. Do you want anything sweet? Is it okay if I take the check? Please create an account. Please keep your accounts separate. Is it possible to acquire a receipt? You can pay for my services. I believe there was a blunder. Maintain the change. Who's going to buy? I'm going to buy it. What are you going to get? When is dinner going to be ready? Dinner is nearly ready. Please take a seat at the table. Do you want to try a bite? Could you please pass the salt to me? Could you please hand your plate to me? Could you please pass the bread? Could you please pour some more salad for me? Is there any more of this available? What will you have for dessert? Do you have your health in your hands? Modern English words used in conversation. Here's a collection of important words that will come in handy in your everyday lexicon and help you speak English with confidence. 1. Absence. 2. Justify. 3. Academic. 4. Kitchen. 5. Accompany. 6. Knee. 7. Accomplish. 8. Knife. 9. Acknowledge. 10. Knock. 11. Adapt. 12. Know. 13. Administration. 14. Knowledge. 15. Effect. 16. Land. 17. Afford. 18. Landscape. 19. Analysis. 20. Language. 21. Apparently. 22. Lap. 23. Background. 24. Large. 25. Balance. 26. Largely. 27. Besides. 28. Last. 29. Beside. 30. Manufacturing. 31. Beyond. 32. Many. 33. Borrow. 34. Map. 35. Boundary. 36. Margin. 37. Budget. 38. Mark. 39. Building. 40. Market. 41. Business. 42. Marketing. 43. Calculate. 44. Negotiation. 45. Campaign. 46. Neighbor. 47. Campus. 48. Neighborhood. 49. Capability. 50. Neither. 51. Capacity. 52. Nerve. 53. Category. 54. Objective. 55. Challenge. 56. Obligation. 57. Characteristic. 58. Observation. 59. Civil. 60. Observe. 61. Coalition. 62. Opportunity. 63. Colonial. 64. Oppose. 65. Deal. 66. Porch. 67. Defensive. 68. Port. 69. Democracy. 70. Portion. 71. Description. 72. Portrait. 73. Dialogue. 74. Portray. 75. Dimension. 76. Pose. 77. Discrimination. 78. Position. 79. Distinction. 80. Qualify. 81. Distinguish. 82. Quality. 83. Elementary. 84. Quarter. 85. Eliminate. 86. Quit. 87. Ellet. 88. Equate. 89. Else. 90. Quote. 91. Elsewhere. 92. Recipe. 93. Email. 94. Recognition. 95. Embrace. 96. Refugee. 97. Emerge. 98. Refuse. 99. Emergency. 100. Regard. 101. Emission. 102. Scientist. 103. Emotion. 104. Scope. 105. Fewer. 106. Score. 107. Fiber. 108. Scream. 109. Fiction. 110. Screen. 111. Field. 112. Script. 113. Foreign. 114. Tactic. 115. Forest. 116. Tail. 117. Forever. 118. Take. 119. Forget. 120. Tail. 121. Form. 122. Talent. 123. Formal. 124. Ultimately. 125. Formation. 126. Unable. 127. Gaze. 128. Uncle. 129. Gear. 130. Under. 131. Gender. 132. Undergo. 133. Gene. 134. Understand. 135. General. 136. Victory. 137. Generate. 138. Video. 139. Generation. 140. View. 141. Genetic. 142. Viewer. 143. Highlight. 144. Village. 145. Highly. 146. Violate. 147. Highway. 148. Violation. 149. Holiday. 150. Wealthy. 151. Holy. 152. Weapon. 153. Home. 154. Where. 155. Illustrate. 156. Weather. 157. Image. 158. Wedding. 159. Imagination. 160. Week. 161. Impact. 162. Yard. 163. Implement. 164. Yeah. 165. Implication. 166. Year. 167. Income. 168. Yell. 169. Incorporate. 170. Yellow. 171. Journalist. 172. Yes. 173. Journey. 174. Yesterday. 175. Joy. 176. Zone. 177. Judge. Daily Conversation Essential Tips. Speaking is the best way to learn. Speaking is one thing you must do. Hyperpolyglots learn a language by speaking as much as possible right away. Don't wait till you believe your level is adequate. Even if your English is sluggish and rudimentary, start communicating with other people right away. Also, concentrate on fluidity and don't be too concerned with making mistakes. You'll gradually rectify them, but don't postpone speaking because you're frightened of making a mistake. Use a variety of resources. Today, there are a plethora of tools accessible to help you learn English, including applications like Mosalingua and Quizlet. Sites like The Fluent Life can help you a lot in your spoken English practice. Make advantage of the many resources you have at your disposal and combine them in a way that works for you. Experiment with various applications, podcasts, movies, articles, and courses. However, experiment and see what works best for you. Set goals and work on them on a regular basis. Don't just perform a bunch of random English activities now. It's a combination of activities to watch Game of Thrones, listen to the news while driving to work, and write letters in English. But there's no method. Setting objectives and working toward them on a regular basis will help you learn more effectively. This gets you motivated, and your improvement motivates you to keep going until it becomes second nature. Fix your objectives, very clear goals, and then plan how you'll get there, one step at a time. Make a plan for your practice. There are a variety of strategies that can help you become fluent, including memorizing chunks, fixed gestures, interpreting from your native language to English and back, occlusions to improve pronunciation, discovering mnemonic devices to recollect vocabulary better, and distance revision trainings so that the vocabulary remains fresh in your mind till it becomes completely automated. You can speed your success by being strategic, rather than merely doing odd stuff in English. With good resources, discipline, and possibly even a coach to advise you. Remember that learning what works best for you requires a while. Conclusion. Above-mentioned basic English sentences are commonly used in our daily conversations. If you were looking for how to improve English for use in day-to-day life, probably you have got all your answers by now. You can use these in the required situations. To get a better hold of it, try listening to other people using these sentences. Observe their tone and pronunciation. so that now you know how to use English sentences for daily use. How are you planning to start practicing these? Share your answer with us in the comment box below.